Hello all my moikies! So welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you've been having an absolutely fantastic day. As you can see, today we'll be doing a Corpse Bride inspired, or actually just a Corpse Bride character. It's one of my favorite childhood movies. I think it's a very sweet one, and I was inspired to create this Corpse Bride look based off of that. So if you would like to see how I created this look, have a lot of white and blue paint, a little bit of black, and just get started. So firstly, we're going to start with blocking out the eyebrows. Once again, just using some glue stick, you're going to make sure you work a lot of the product through your brows, waiting for it to dry a bit, then just taking some baby powder and a sponge and setting that in place. It's important to kind of press the powder into the sticky part. Unfortunately, lost the footage of where I've shaped the face, but just shaping the outsides and the outlines of the Corpse Bride face, and then also using black to create the illusion that my neck and my shoulders are a lot thinner than they actually are. Then just going in with some cream based paints, you'll be adding a white base so that your light blues will show up a lot easier. Doing one coat of light blue, you start using a darker blue to do a kind of a contour, so that would be around the perimeters of the face, cheeks, nose, and then also on the chest to create like collarbones. You could go as dark as you want with the blue, and then just using some white paint, I'm going to start carving out, like creating the eyes. I used the cream paint for this. It would have been a lot easier with a bigger brush, Melissa. But we just kept on going. And then using some black, I drew on some eyebrows in the shape that her eyebrows are. They feel like they're quite dramatic. And then just also shaping the eyes with a black. As you can see, I drew on some nostrils as well, just little triangles. And then using a blue, you're going to do the same as you did around the face. You're going to just create a contour so that it looks like the eyes are set slightly deeper in the face. And then just do it on the other side as well. You can make these pretty dark because their eyes are quite deep set into the face. You don't really have to blend them out either. Then just adding some more blue to the face to give it that kind of a rough look. And then creating our eyelids, you're going to want to use a darker color than I did. I had to go in with some eyeshadows off. And using more black, we're going to create the pupil of the eye. See, I just made the eyelids slightly darker, added a pink lip in a really sharp pointy lip shape, added some lashes, and then just creating those little black dots as her pupils as well. I feel like using a very pigmented liquid would help with this. And then just creating the front of the hair, turning it blue because she's wearing a dark black bluish wig in the movie, which I did not have, could not find. Then also I got a few products from Chinatown, like accessories as gloves and a veil to kind of help along with the kind of wedding dress look that she has on. It cost me less than 60 rand, so it's quite an easy dress up to do if you decide to go to a dress up party as the Corpse Bride. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really liked this video, and I hope you found it somewhat entertaining. I'm going to find it very entertaining trying to get my hair to not be blue. That should be fun. And then also remember that I have a giveaway running for this month where you could win a character makeup creation by myself on you. Or the other prize is a giveaway, a product giveaway. So if you aren't able to get to me for your giveaway, I can send you the products instead. So I will link that down below as well. It is in my first video for the month, which is the Mother Nature one. But thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you would like to see next down in the comments. And let me know if you find that this makeup look was easy enough to recreate.